What's up, YouTube? This is J-Man64.
And this is ECUs and CPUs, and this is the $35 PC rebuild. Alright, so for our first mod, first and foremost, we're going to be replacing the Pentium E5300 that comes with this HP. And we're going to be replacing it with this Core 2 Duo E8400. I did plan on tape overclocking it, but can't find the exact readout, the diagram, so if you know which pins exactly to block off, that'd be cool for a future video maybe. But yeah, we're going to start with taking off this heatsink and then taking out this old CPU. I'm going to time-lapse this part without sound, because it kind of takes a minute.
Well, in that case...
Alright, so the CPU is now installed, and one thing I forgot to mention is that we ended up getting this CPU used on eBay for $4.75.
Alright, so now is the RAM. This is the RAM stick we ended up deciding to get. It is Corsair XMS2s. It's DDR2, 800 megahertz, which at the time when DDR2 was around, it was one of the fastest transfer speeds you could get. We're replacing it with these standard ones that came with the computer, where they only have 666 megahertz. So a little bit faster processing speeds for all those gaming needs you need. And we have 4 1 gig sticks just like the standard does, of course with the better transfer speed. So now that the RAM's installed, we got one set of it for $4.99 on eBay, free shipping, and then we got the other ones one in a bid on eBay, $4, no shipping.
So now for the graphics card, we ended up getting an MSI. It's an NVIDIA chip 9500 GT. I ended up winning it for $1.50 on auction, but it did come with $7.50 shipping, so that's a total of $9. It is a bit of an underpowered chip, but we do plan on upgrading it in a future video. Say if this video gets 100 likes, we'll go ahead and double our $35 budget and use another $35 to get just a graphics card. So that's one reason we went with a bit of an underpowered one, but it's period correct to the rest of the things in this PC. So we went ahead with got the 9500 GT.
And this is the power supply we went with. It's a Seasonic 400 watt. We got it on eBay used for $5 free shipping. And we had to upgrade the power supply because the one that came with the HP originally just didn't meet the demands that came for the graphics card. So we had to get an upgraded one for it so it could supply enough power.
And this is it, guys. The whole build assembled. The $35 PC rebuild, which we have since deemed craputer. It's a crappy old HP from, like 06, 07. So, and when we first got it, hardly even ran. So, anything was an improvement over that. But with all new components, CPU, RAM, graphics cards, and we're about to see how it performs.
And if you want to check out the benchmarks, just head over to my channel, JMan64. The link will be in the description. Well, I'll see you there.